Welcome back to another YouTube video. So we're playing on Home of Cody 72. It's awesome and by YT Cody /72. So go over there, follow him, and he's on YouTube too. Look up Cody 72 on YouTube. Well guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm about to go pick up a truck. You can say it's a truck, but it's not. But let's go look at it first. P.S. I did bought this truck from him. Now I don't want to take this way. Let's take the long way. But if you're wondering why I didn't take the trailer, so I'm coming back to it for it. After I pick up the truck and pay for it. But yeah. Really too much gas. Tell. But P.S. the truck is by Rock Climbing Course. And let's go further. And the truck is made for off-roading. I hope I can get it from here. I went the wrong way. So far, the noise in the background. If you don't hear that. But there it is. I have the money on me. So, I see you, I'll hop into it. I'm in it now. Let's see what we can do with it. It's in high gear right now. I like it. Just go behind the house. You can see it. Top skis, right? I was hoping I can get some help from the rocks to get on that log. But I guess I couldn't. I'm gonna post probably every 2 days. I don't know yet. I'm about to head back to my mom's. I'm living at my dad's, but I won't post at my mom's because siblings problem. If you have siblings, y'all know what I'm talking about. Let me go. Let me bypass this. I know this kid do it, but it won't let me. Okay, I like it. I'm popped back out of my house. Okay. I go back to the house. Get my truck and get the trailer for it. So I'll see you when I get into the truck. So I'm on truck now. I think I know the way out. Yes, I did buy it. For a tow truck. For my truck. He's a Dodge. They're not cutting it now. It has a gas, so this is a diesel. I'm gonna take the other way when I get the trailer. I'll see when I load my hookup to the trailer. So I got it hooked up now. So I'm gonna get that corner perfectly. They won't know this, right? Can't see them backyard to get it. They will never notice that, right? So here it is. I got given them money. So see you when I load it on the trailer. So I paid for it. He said just draw cost though and get on here. Making it easier for me, I guess. But yeah. I'm gonna do the dope bike. When the dope bike trail I have. You haven't saw yet. But I'm gonna y'all saw it, but I'm gonna buy a dope bike next video probably to use it back there. but I'm gonna use it for my new toy. I'll see you when I get into it. So I'm in it now. We got lights. Okay. You can flex good. Let's see how good you can climb. I'm sorry for that loud. Now this coming from behind, coming, you can hear that. You can climb good. Let's see how good it will handle the bumps. What can I do with the T-top? Try right over, yes. You all know. That tree should not be there. You all know that. But it just is. I haven't got a hold of the people posting on this map. So peace, love y'all guys, and smash the bell and subscribe. See you on the next one. Last thing, let's test the jump. I didn't know we had this. Okay, I got called away to my other apartment. Peace, love y'all, and subscribe to the channel.